Okay, I want to show you how to set up your emails for your automation sequence. We're back in our demo account. I click on automation. It brings us to this particular section where we created the draft and all our demos and stuff. You want to click on automation messages. This is where you're going to create your emails that will be used for your automation. So you just create a draft, and I'm going to grab an email from my personal swipe selection right here. And what I'm going to give this is a message name of segment opener 1, for example. And got my subject here. And I like to, personalize it when you can. You should be getting first name and email. So then you click next step. And you're going to be able to pick from all these templates. What I do is I'm going to right size the screen here, start from scratch, and I go down to the bottom, and I just pick the blank template. Okay, I'm just going to grab a text block and drag it out here, and then we want to go ahead and we don't want it to be in bold, so remove the bold. And it's at 14 point, so that's fine. I don't want this larger type up here. So this is just kind of like housekeeping stuff. I'm going to grab an email out of my template that I have, and I got it right here. I'm just going to copy it and paste it. It's the same way you do all this stuff. Okay. These are where you're going to put links and things. If you have a link that you want to use for your program here. So what I like to do is I like to always put my name at the bottom. And then I like to, at the very top, I like to hi, and then I like using the first name. So this personalizes it. So if I have a link, I'm going to put the hyperlink right here. There. And maybe I'll do the same thing right here. So that's it. There's my template. And what we're going to use this for, I'll show you here in a second. Next step. And we saved that as an automation message, okay? So you have a list of automation messages here. You can see the ones I already have. But there's quite a few. And when you want to, let's say we're going to go back to our main menu and go into the automation emails, manage workflows. Let's go into our draft that we created the other day. And you can use this to add into your emails, or let's say you want to replace an email. So here, this particular message we send out, we come over to properties, and we're going to use an automation email. And we just go through the list and find the one that we just created. And now that email is going to be the one that is used to go out in that step of the workflow.